If you've lost access to your ZenMate account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the ZenMate login page. Go to the official ZenMate website and click on the login option. This will direct you to the account login interface where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is essential for regaining access to your account. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from ZenMate in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you've successfully reset it, you should be able to log into your account without needing your phone number. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your ZenMate account without the need for a phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ZenMate's customer support for further assistance.